Welcome to this presentation of the new release of Virtual Universe Pro. So this is the release 3.105. The main improvement is player based on the Unity engine. Let's have a look about this. This new player's version for screen or VR headset is able now to set up material. So I'm going to generate an high quality view. Note that now there is two separate installation packages, one for Virtual Universe Pro and another one for the players, the Unity players. So you have to install both in the same directory. So there is the Unity player. So you can see our simulation in high quality. There is several options. The first is to define the layout. So there is two different warehouse that can be chosen. Okay, this is the second one. The other option lets you define materials. So you can simply see the materials, a preview of the material with the light reflections. To assign a material, so the current material is displayed with red text on here. So by example, select this. You simply have to let the mouse go on object. And if you want to assign the material, simply left click. That's down. Another option that you can use is to refine the color of the material. So let's take by example this painted metal. Left click on this material and then I can change the color. By example, this one. I just click on select and then I can apply this material to what I want, like this. Another thing we can do is to define the transparency. Example, like this. And then I can apply the new material like this. As you can see, this is transparent. Okay, to save the material, simply close this painting mode, quit the player, and then you can save the Virtual Universe Pro project. Material definition will be saved with the project. If you want to reset completely the material definition, you can access the file, which is in media. And this is this file. So if I want to reset my material definitions, I can simply delete this file. Okay, let's have a look to another new functionality of this release. This functionality allows to save data from the chart HMI object. So this is a new property. This new property is data file. So you simply have to write a name to a text file, and then simply go change the value. Okay, and it's going to create a text file that you can open with Microsoft Excel, by example, and you will get the data with the first field, which is date and time of the data, and then one column per data. Okay, here is the new functionality of this release. Thank you very much.